Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, I decided to do my eyeshadow representing what this video is about. Watermelon. So I did 3 easy recipes with half a watermelon using stuff that you usually have around your house, like sugar, water, and lemons. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is cut down your watermelon, removing the green part of it, the rind, and then cutting it into small cube pieces, enough for the blender. Besides the watermelon, you're going to need 2 cups of strawberries and a lemon. Add the 2 cups of strawberries into the blender, 2 cups of watermelon, and squeeze in the lemon. And then blend them all together. Then pour in your liquid into your popsicle molds. I use these tiny little cups instead, and I put them into an ice cube tray so they won't tip over in the freezer. After an hour being in the freezer, I take them back out and put in my popsicle sticks. This is when the liquid is a little bit more harder, and then I put them back into the freezer overnight. This is the end result. It's great for summertime right now, and the whole family enjoyed it, especially Jaden. For the watermelon lemonade, add 6 cups of watermelon into the blender and then half a cup of lemon juice. Add 2 cups of water. This step is optional. You could add half a cup of sugar. I kind of wish I didn't. It came out too sweet. And then just blend it all together. And this is what you get, fresh watermelon juice. Finally, for the watermelon sherbet, we're gonna add 1½ cup of water into a pot along with 1½ cup of white sugar. Bring the sugar and water to a boil over medium-high heat and stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes when it does boil. While we wait for that, we're gonna blend 6 cups of watermelon in the blender. When the 5 minutes are over, remove from the heat and let it cool down. Now this is the trickiest part. We're gonna pour the watermelon juice through a strainer into the bowl, discarding all the pulp. The easiest way I found to do this was to shake the strainer a bit or grab a spoon to move the pulp around to let the juice through the strainer. And try to do this slowly, if not your pulp will fall out of the strainer into the bowl. This is all the pulp that came out and then all the juice that I saved. Now we're going to combine all the ingredients together. The watermelon juice, one-fourth a cup of lemon juice, and the sugar and water we did on the stove earlier. Then we're also going to add half a cup of white grape juice. You could use white wine, but I have a kid so I can't. Then we're going to stir it all together, make sure it's all well blended. Then we're going to seal it in an airtight container overnight. And this is what you're gonna get the next morning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what other recipes you guys want me to try, and if you guys want me to give out a tutorial how I did this eyeshadow look. And please subscribe, and I see you guys next week.